Yo, what is up guys? It's Jaden here, back with another video, and today you can see that we got something brand new for the Jetta. So I'm gonna open it up right now. I have not looked at it yet. Oh my gosh, I'm so freaking trash at cutting. Dang. What the freak? There we go. Okay. So now I'm gonna get this open and we're gonna look at it together. What the? Alright guys, I finally got it open. As you can see right here, you can see the brand Spider, so you already know what this is gonna be. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. Boom. Please don't tell me. Oh my gosh, guys, sorry, I got scared for a second. I thought it was just one in here. Alright guys, but boom, check it out. New, oh shit, I almost dropped them. New taillights for the Jetta. So I'm gonna put them over here. Alright, so check these out guys. As you can see, they have the LED on the top of them. These are the Spider taillights for the Mark IV Jetta. So I'm going to show you the other one as well. Actually, no, I'm not going to show you the other one because it doesn't want to come out. But yeah guys, these are the new taillights for the Jetta, and let's get into installing them. Alright guys, so it's actually the next day. So last night I got like way too carried away with installing them and I didn't really record anything. So yeah, actually right now I'm on my way to my dad's house so I can go show you guys the finished product of the lights. But since I don't really have a lot of content of the lights, I'm just going to add a little bit more stuff into this video because we might actually be able to get the Jetta running. Oh shoot. Dude, my neighbor almost hit me. What the freak? That's crazy. I caught that on camera almost. But yeah, so we might be able to get the Jetta running and driving today. So I guess you guys will see in this video. Alright guys, so I'm updating you guys again. I'm working on the brakes right now. I got the caliper off and I got the old brake pads out. As you can see, these are the old ones. And look at these ones compared to the new ones that I'm putting on. These ones are way, way better. So I'm only doing the rears today, and at some point I'm gonna do the fronts also. But also I wanna show you guys the tail lights because I did a little cinematic for you guys, but here's me showing them. And as you can see, they look really, really good. But I'm gonna get back to what I was doing and then I'll update you guys once I'm done. Alright guys, so another update. Pretty much the caliper is like overly extended. So pretty much, as you guys saw, well, I'll throw up a picture right now. My brake pads are like really, like they should have been replaced a long time ago, but since they weren't, the calipers are overly extended. So now I'm on my way to like a discount auto parts just to get the piece that I need to push it back in. Guys, so after all that time, those brake pads are finished, and I had to run around to a whole bunch of stores to find this piece, which is what I need to push the pistons back in, which is what I was telling you guys about earlier. So now I'm getting on to this wheel. Alright, what is up guys? It is the next day. This video has taken 3 days to make, so you guys better drop a like. But pretty much both sides of the brakes are done. Of the rears, of course, because we only did the rears. But yeah, pretty much all we have to do now is we have to bleed the brakes, because when we were doing the pistons, when we were trying to put the pistons back in, the brake fluid came out because we had to take them out to put them back in. So we have to put new brake fluid, bleed the system, and then get a new battery, and then the car should be ready. Alright guys, so actually I gotta catch you guys up real quick. Pretty much the left brake caliper, when I was bleeding the brakes, the nozzle, the piece that the nozzle screws into on the caliper actually stripped, so I'm gonna have to get a whole new rear left caliper. So I'm gonna pretty much end the video here. So that's gonna be it for this video. Part 1 of the getting the Jetta ready to drive. What would you consider this? Series? Yeah, series, that's the word I was looking for. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I'm gonna try to get the next video out as soon as possible. Whenever the caliper comes in, I'm gonna start recording, and I'm ordering that tomorrow. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a like and tell me how you guys feel about the taillights in the comments. Alright guys, peace out.